An Egyptian court sentenced 183 members of the Muslim Brotherhood to death, and the Bulgarian government declares a state of emergency. Kristine Domingo will tell us why.
In Indonesia, Indonesian divers recovered 6 bodies from the AirAsia Flight 8501 that crashed in the Java Sea. To date, the number of bodies recovered has reached to 84. 2 bodies were also recovered in the fuselage of the airplane that was found under the seabed. According to Indonesian authorities, their operation is focused only on looking for dead bodies, and they will not exert any more efforts to lift the fuselage from the ocean floor. AirAsia Flight 8501, carrying 162 passengers, was on its way to Singapore from Indonesia when the tragedy happened. In Bulgaria, the non-stop rain in Bulgaria has already recorded 5 deaths. Among the fatalities was a 45-year-old man and his 9-year-old child after they were washed away by a raging river in southwestern Bulgaria. This prompted the government to declare a state of emergency in areas affected by the floods and strong winds brought by the hurricane. Military men, firefighters, and civilians joined forces in rescuing residents affected by the floods. In Egypt, an Egyptian court issued a death sentence to the 183 supporters of the Muslim Brotherhood. The court found the defendants guilty of killing 11 policemen and 2 civilians in August 2013. The government has launched a widespread crackdown on the members of the Brotherhood after President Mohamed Morsi was ousted from office. Thousands of Brotherhood supporters were arrested and were placed under mass trials. Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi said the Muslim Brotherhood is considered as a major security threat in the country. Kristine Domingo reporting for Y News.